In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect QuickBooks Time to QuickBooks Online using the Account and Billing section. If your QuickBooks Time and QuickBooks Online connection has dropped, maybe after a password change, a permissions update, or an expired token, don't worry. I'll walk you through a clean, safe reconnection and show you how to confirm everything is syncing again. Before you begin, it helps to be an admin on both accounts and know which QuickBooks Online company you want to connect if you manage more than one. Let's start by opening QuickBooks Time. The smoothest way to launch it is from inside QuickBooks Online. In your QuickBooks Online dashboard, go to All Apps, find Time, and select Launch QuickBooks Time. This route ensures you're working from the correct company context. Once QuickBooks Time opens, look to the top navigation and click Company Settings. This is your control center for app configuration and where you'll find billing and connection tools tied to your account. Next, select Account and Billing. On this page, you'll see options like Manage all Intuit subscriptions in one place and View Billing and Subscription. Think of this area as the hub for your subscription status and app integrations, including the connection to QuickBooks Online. If the integration is disconnected, QuickBooks Time will clearly display an option to reconnect or sign in to QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and click that. When prompted, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. If you're part of multiple companies, carefully choose the correct company file so your team's time will sync to the right place. You may also be asked to approve permissions. Authorize QuickBooks Time to access your QuickBooks Online data. This is necessary for syncing timesheets, team information, and related data between the two products. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step to finish the sign-in securely. After the authorization completes, it's time to verify the connection. In QuickBooks Time, go to Time Entries and open My Team. Look for your employees' recent hours and confirm that data appears as expected. If you're familiar with what should be there, like entries from today or this week, check that those are present and aligned with your schedule or payroll cycle. If something looks off, refresh the page or give it a moment. Newly restored connections can take a short time to display all recent updates, and that's it. That's how to reconnect QuickBooks Time to QuickBooks Online safely using the Account and Billing section. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.